Hello, this tutorial is to illustrate the steps to follow in order to complete a stock count using RMS V3 application. Firstly, log into your RMS V3 in your mobile phone. Once you have logged into the mobile application, under Inventory, before you proceed to do stock count, you need to ensure to lock your inventory. Click under Inventory Lock. Ensure your inventory is locked. When your inventory is locked, it will be in green color. So in this situation, we can see that the raw material storage and the semi-finished storage is locked. So it's ready to go for stock count. Click on the back button. Now you go to stock count. System might take a moment to load the data. Once the screen is loaded, we can proceed to create the document. Please note, in CodeMax inventory system, stock count must be done according to the item type. So for this scenario, we will have to create a document under raw material and a separate document under semi-finished good to count the stock accordingly. Let's proceed with raw material first. Click on the plus button on top of the screen. To create a stock count, change the document status to ready to count. Branch name should be your outlet name. Storage name is your outlet name, and the assignee is always your outlet name. Allow selective count. Choose yes is recommended in case you are counting certain item in the database and not the entire item. Remark will be the description of your stock count. Let's take for instance closing stock take for the month of September. In this scenario, we are doing raw material. Once you complete it, click on submit. System will create a document accordingly. Once the successful message appears on screen, you will be able to find the document that you have created. Here, click on Open Document, Status Ready to Count, Apply Filter. As you can see, the document appears in the screen. Now you can access the document to perform your stock count. To perform your stock count, click on the three lines on top of the screen and proceed with stock count. System will load the items that are available for you to count. You can search by item code or by item keyword. So for instance, if I search for BV124, system will respond with the item BV124. If this is the item you are intending to count, you can click on the item. On the top of the screen, click on Add Count. Quantity will be the physical quantity you have counted on the day of your stock take. Let's take one for instance. UM is flexible. You can choose according to the UM you have done your stock count activity with. So in this instance, if the item was counted by bottle, so you will choose the UM bottle. Bin location and remark can be left blank. It's not compulsory to fill up. Once you OK, you click submit. System will show the quantity you have indicated. You click submit. And click OK. Item you have counted is now indicated in green color. You can proceed to the next item. Let's take another example. BV126. Click on the item. So this is a Coca-Cola code item PV126. Click on add count. Again, you can indicate the quantity you have counted. Let's take 24 for instance. is also flexible in here. You could count the item in cans or in cartons. For this example, the item was counted in cans. Again, bin location and remark can be left blank. Click on submit and click on submit again. Once the successful message appears, click on OK and proceed to the next item, and so on and so forth. Once you have indicated the physical count quantity for all your raw materials item, click on the top of the screen on the right side. To finally submit the stock count, click on yes and click on OK. As you can see, document status has been changed to submitted. Next action to do is click on the three line on top of the screen and approve the stock count. Click yes. Once the stock count has been approved, final stage is to post the document. Document need to be posted in order to be completed. Click on post stock count and click on yes. Once the document status is posted, you will be able to download the particular document into your phone, or you can proceed to create a second document for the semi-finished good. Let's take an example. So you can see document has been changed to posted. You can go to semi-finished good and repeat the same steps by creating a document. The status ready to count, branch name is your outlet name, storage name is your outlet, and assignee as well. Ensure always the type is selective count. Remark is just for testing for this exercise. Submit the stock count. Once you have submitted the stock count, go to the search button. Search for ready to count item status, document status. You will see the document appears. Click on the document. To key in the stock count, click on the three lines top of the screen. Click on stock count. Again, the system will display the list of all the semi-finished good items available for you to count. You can scroll through the screen to find the item, or you can search by item code. Let's take for example GV100. You could also type a keyword. It will give you the same results. We recommend you searching by item code to avoid selecting the wrong item. So in this instance, GV100 respond with GV100 subsoto. You can click on the item, click on add count, indicate the quantity that you have counted during your physical count activity. Let's do 12 for example. is flexible, so according to the you have counted. In this instance we will choose packet and click submit and click submit again. Once the count is been submitted successfully, if you search for the item again, you will show a green indication with the quantity you have counted. You can proceed to the next item. Add count, indicate the quantity, select the correct and click submit. In the event that you have done a mistake, you can always refer back to the previous item and you can edit or delete the count and add a new count. Ensure your is correct according to the quantity you have counted. Click submit and submit again. Repeat those steps until you have completed indicating the physical quantity of all the items in this list. Once you have done so, click on the top of the screen on the right side to submit the document. Click yes. Once the document has been submitted successfully, click on the three lines at the top of the screen to approve the stock count. Click yes. And last but not least, once the status is being approved, post the stock count document by clicking yes. And with that, you have completed successfully your stock count. Thank you very much.